Welcome to Future Dr. NEET Academy for the problem solving session in NEET Physics. Topic chosen today is from chapter 10, Thermal Properties of Matter. And today is not problem solving session, problem questionnaire session. That is, in this session, 7 questions will be floated, and in next session, we are going to solve the problem for these questions. Let's move to question number 1. 1 gram of water of volume 1 centimeter cube at 100 degrees Celsius is converted into steam at same temperature and under normal atmospheric pressure 1 into 10 power 5 Pascal. The volume of steam formed equals 1671 centimeter cube. If the specific latent heat of vaporization of water is 2256 joule per kilogram. The change in internal energy is dash. You want to find change in internal energy. Option A 2423 joules. B option 2089 joules. C option 167 joules. D option 2256 joules. That is what you want to find. You want to find change in internal energy. That is, by applying the idea about the first law of thermodynamics, you are able to find the solution for this question. Let's move to question number 2. During an isothermal expansion, a confined ideal gas does minus 150 joule of work against its surroundings. This implies that 300 joule of heat has been added to the gas. B option, no heat is transferred because the process is isothermal. C option, 150 joule of heat has been added to the gas. D option, 150 joule of heat has been removed from the gas. For this also, you want to apply first law of thermodynamics with sign convention. By knowing the idea about the sign convention only, you are able to find the solution for this question. Let's move to question number 3. We consider a thermodynamic system if delta U represents the increase in its internal energy and W be the work done by the system. Which of the following statement is true? Delta U equal to minus W in an adiabatic process. Delta U equal to W in an isothermal process. C option, delta U equal to minus W in an isothermal process. D option, delta U equal to W in an adiabatic process. By knowing the sign convention and by having the idea about the isothermal and adiabatic and also having the idea about the first law of thermodynamics, you are able to solve this question. Let's move to question number 4. First law of thermodynamics is a consequence of conservation of dash. A, work. B, energy. C, heat. D, all of this. This is also from the outline for the first law of thermodynamics idea. You are able to find the answer. Let's move to question number 5. A gas is compressed isothermally to half its initial volume. The same gas is compressed separately through an adiabatic process until its volume is again reduced to half. Then A, compressing the gas through adiabatic process will require more work to be done. B option, compressing the gas isothermally or adiabatically will require the same amount of work. C option, which of the case, whether compression through isothermal or through adiabatic process require more work will depend upon the atomicity of the gas. D option, compressing the gas isothermally will require more work to be done. That is, here you should know the relation between work done in adiabatic and in isothermal process. By having this idea, you are able to solve this question. Let's move to question number 6. A monoatomic gas at a pressure P having a volume V expands isothermally to a volume 2V and then adiabatically to a volume 16V. The final pressure of the gas is dash. Given gamma is given 5 by 3. Option A, 64 times of P. B option, 32 times of P. C option, 1 by 64 times of P. D option, 16 times of P. By having the knowledge about the adiabatic and isothermal, expansion or contraction, you are able to find the solution for these questions. Let's move to last question. The efficiency of an ideal heat engine working between the freezing point and boiling point of water is dash. Option A 6.25%, B option 20%, C option 26.8%, D option 12.5%. That is, here you should know the formula for efficiency. Efficiency in terms of temperature. And also you should know the value for the freezing point and boiling point of water. By knowing this idea, by having this value, you are able to solve these 7 questions. In next session, we will see how to solve this solution. Before that, you try to work out and keep it ready and try to join that session. Thank you.